Welcome to another video. We're in the midst of the hottest weather since time began, apparently, over here. It's got extremely hot today. It's one of the hottest days ever since records began, so they say. So it's been a bit too hot to get out with the camera and a bit too hot to get out doing vlogs, especially during the day. I have recently been to the local car show. When I say car shows, I do the monthly show of the classics and chips. We went in the car the other day, took a load of pictures again for my Instagram feed. We met some really nice cars, some fantastic looking cars. But I found out on the way that my heater, blower, stroke air conditioning unit in my car no longer works. Great. I have been out with the drone. Went out with the drone last night to see if I could film some fireworks for the first time. I've never tried to film fireworks with the drone. The film, I think, hasn't come out too bad. It's still a little bit washy, but then again, that's the quality. It's only 1080p. But I think it's not too bad for some first attempts anyway. Use the Phantom for the fireworks because I think the low light on the Spark isn't as good. So Spark doesn't film so well at night as the Phantom does, but even the Phantom doesn't film as well as, say, some of the newer cameras probably would do, like a Phantom 4 or Mavic. But it was still an attempt and a good try to see what we could do. New stuff, I haven't had a lot of new stuff come through recently. I've had a couple of watches that have come through which are going to need to be reviewed, and I've already got up to that I haven't already reviewed yet, so that's still got in process. But I have got something coming for the next time I get my hair cut, and that's this is Toxic UV. So it's the same hair colour I've used before, the same make, crazy colour. It's green, very similar to the lime green, sort of, except this is UV, which means, in theory, this stuff glows in the dark and under black light. It's got to be tried. I've been promising to do this. I told a couple of people at work I've got to have glow in the dark hair. A few of my customers are like, oh, what are you going to do next? Glow in the dark, I think, might be just a bit different. So I've got to give this a go.
These shots have been taken with the drone. I also came out and took some pictures with the HP20 phone. The night mode didn't come out too well. As you can see, it's a bit washy here. This is daylight, and the daylight images are much better. This is also done with the normal mode.